So you just forgot your HiSense Roku TV PIN number or need to reset for subscription, add apps or install apps? No worries, you can fix it pretty easily in just a few steps. So first you have to grab your phone or computer and open a web browser. Then go to my.roku.com and sign in with the same account connected to your TV. So once you are signed in, just head to my account and look for PIN preference or parental control. So you won't see a direct reset PIN button here, but you can still change or manage your Roku PIN settings. So now to remove it, select the option that says don't require a PIN under subscribing, purchasing and adding apps. This will stop your TV from asking for a PIN when installing apps or making purchases. And also if you use Roku channel for other streaming services with parental restrictions, make sure parental control are turned off as well. And after that, scroll down and save your changes. And once everything is saved, your Roku TV should stop asking for a PIN in those situations. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. And thanks for staying tuned with Fix9 till the end.